Alright, I guess. So, hey guys, welcome to another video, and today, I got bunny hair in my eye. Sorry, I got bunny hair in my eyeball. Anyway, so today, what we are going to be doing is how to cure hiccups. Am I? No, do these, but I'll do something else. So, okay, so first, things you can do to stop this is things you can do to stop yourself from starting by step. Alright, so let's get into this. Pull your 2, 1. Breathe into a paper bag. Do not pull it above your head or else I will use a tissue. I have a tissue box. I never see those in that's just my friends. I still need this. Okay? I don't know. Oh, I need this tissue. Anyway. Alright, number 2. Pull your knee. This is one which I can do. Pull your knees up to your chest and lean forward. So my background's gonna move. Oh, that's good. Okay, to more background. That's good. You don't need to be set at that side. We have a bookshelf you need to cover. Sorry. Alright, 3. Sip ice cold water. Sip ice cold water. So basically what you would do is you'll get a cup. This is a bottle, I know. Put ice in it. Drink it. And I'm done. That cup isn't full. So 4. Swallow some. Let's not do that one. 5. Bite on a lemon or taste vinegar. Yes, I know. That might be annoying. I'm looking at salt right now. I'm looking at some salt. Yeah, I know it might be annoying. Thinking about it makes my eyes water. Anyway, yeah, maybe not do that. 5, but that's what we just did. 6, hold your breath for a short time. Like at least 5 to 10 seconds. I did for 20 seconds. You guys don't have to do that. And that's it. If you want to do it, get rid instantly to my next video. This is 6 minutes, right? Yeah. Anyway, see you guys next video. Bye.